Welcome to Module 6, Intonation and General Statements.
Falling intonation is used in statements, sentences that are not questions. Lower your voice at the end of the sentence.
Listen and practice.
My name is John.
It's nice to meet you.
Have a nice day.
I'm going outside.
I'll be back in a minute.
Noun intonation. Practice the noun stress pattern after me using pitch change. 1. Dogs eat bones. 2. Mike likes bikes. 3. Elsa wants a book. 4. Adam plays pool. 5. Bobby needs some money. 6. Susie combs her hair. 7. John lives in France. 8. Nellie teaches French. 9. Ben writes articles. 10. Keys open locks. 11. Jerry makes music. 12. Jean sells some apples. 13. Carol paints the car. 14. Bill and I fix the bikes. 15. Ann and Ed call the kids. 16. The kids like the candy. 17. The girls have a choice. 18. The boys need some help.